Present day. Present time.
You guys ever install Discord and then one day you decide to actually launch this app through the terminal and you realize how much it constantly tracks you and how it's like it behaves like a spyware after you launch it through the terminal? You're like, holy shit, this is so freaking invasive. I wish I would never install this spyware under my computer. Well, if you've been looking for an alternative and you haven't been able to find one, then this video is for you. So let's talk about Discord. So Discord is a proprietary software made under a proprietary version of the, I think it was like, yeah, under Electron. And when it comes to the code is not open, it's not open source, and they could be doing anything shady. Well, some people don't really care about this, but if you care about performance and privacy, then this probably is going to be helpful for you. Because I know like the regular Discord client, it not only breaks a lot, constantly on the Linux, like their official app. But there's a few things I really hate about it. Like it could be really resource heavy and really kill performance. Um, let's be honest. It doesn't kill you to actually be safer. So yes, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to download this app and how to install it and do all that. Okay, so to actually install this version of Discord, we're going to go into our terminal and we're going to open a new window, and we're basically going to use our package managers, whether you use Badu or you use Yay, whatever AUR you use, you just got to install it through the AUR. So what you do is you go to Badu, you put S, and then Webcord. You just wait for it to install. And if this comes here, you just press Q, then yes. Insert your password. I type things too quick. You just wait for it to build. That should be done pretty quick. Now you just launch by going through your search bar, of course, but I hate looking things through there. I'm going to show you guys. It looks slightly different, but it's just lighter overall. Okay, let me just log in. It should be right here. If you actually click through here, right here, you can see in the terminal that it's actually constantly blocking. Like, let me show you how invasive it is. Like, if you go right here, oh shit, what the fuck did I walk into? Oh, that's Nux. All right, anyway, so you can see right here is actually basically constantly, you know, blocking the geolocation. And when it comes to Discord, anywhere you click, right here, trying to freaking constantly track you. You see how invasive Discord is? See, so constantly everything that you constantly click is going to try to check your geolocation, and yeah, this pretty much gets rid of that issue, which is something I fucking hate about Discord. And you just feel way more, I don't know, I just feel more at ease because I think it's just fucking weird. It's just creepy because you don't know who the fuck works up in that company or what they're doing with your shit. But anyways, yeah, this pretty much what I use. As always, if you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what is your favorite messaging app. What's your favorite version of Discord? I would like to know. Leave it in the comments, and yeah, I don't know. As always, if you like this video or found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As always, stay spooky, stay weird. Bye.
To see my Lord and Savior Baphomet represented in such glorious Italian stone. I do hope his eyes gaze upon me, and that my allegiance is recognized. I don't know. Notice me, senpai! Notice me!
Dim, dam, dadilam, vacarme s'en va dans l'oubli éternam. Et Gustave, dom guardiam, dilim, dididididam, lutes sera dodidam, seram. Dim, dim, da da da, dim, dim, da da da, dim, da di dam. Dim dim da 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 dim dim da 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 dim da di